On this week's Inventory Spotlight, check out this 2014 Forest River Salem Hemisphere 327. This fifth-wheel trailer features 3 slides and a rear entertainment living arrangement that gives you ample space for family weekend getaways or comfortable full-time living. As you enter, you'll find a freestanding dinette and 2 lounge chairs on the slide out to the left. Along the rear wall, you will find an entertainment center with a residential-style fireplace, perfect for cozy evening entertaining. The large slide out on the right houses an L-shaped couch and extends into the kitchen. There you will find plenty of counter space with a double sink, 3-burner range, microwave, and refrigerator. In the corner of the kitchen is a large pantry, providing plenty of extra storage. Inside the bathroom you will find a toilet, corner shower, sink, medicine cabinet, and linen cabinet. The bathroom also offers a private entrance into the bedroom. Inside the bedroom you will see a comfortable king bed slide, a large wardrobe, and a dresser. This fifth wheel has plenty of overhead cabinets throughout the inside, as well as a large pass-through exterior storage. This Salem Hemisphere 327 fifth wheel is an RV built to support fun family weekends or comfortable full-time living. Come see this and hundreds of other pre-owned recreational vehicles. Come check them out at RV Depot.